Hello, welcome back. Today is a day where I'm trying on some new makeup. So I love sharing these types of things with you because I feel like it exposes you and myself to some new makeup. You get to kind of see what it looks like. And of course, these are just my first impressions, so my thoughts might change in the future, but this is what I think as of right now. So all these products came from my Ipsy bag. So if you're not familiar with Ipsy, Ipsy is a $10 a month beauty subscription service where you get 5 deluxe size samples, occasionally full size samples sent to you that you get to try out. It always comes in a cute little bag like this. The value is always way over $10. It's usually in the 40s, 50s. So I think it's a really good value, and I personally like that it is sample size because I know myself and I'm never going to use up a full-size product. So for me, this is just a great way to try new makeup and not have to worry that it's going to expire before I get a chance to use it. So let's get into it and see what I got. So the first thing I got is something that you can't really see on my face, but it is the Feel Renewed face cleanser. So this was really cool. This was a gritty face cleanser. It has pumpkin walnut facial cleanser. So definitely has that kind of like spicy fall scent to it. It has a little bit of ground up walnut shells in it, so it's very exfoliating. And I think it did a really good job on my face. I mean, this is not something I would use to get rid of makeup. I would use this most likely as my second cleanse or sometime when I'm looking for a little bit of exfoliation. But I really did like this and I will continue to use it. The next thing is this Pixi Glow tonic. So I've actually used this before and I really like it. Normally what I do with this is I use it as a face cleanser in the morning. So my typical routine is I do a whole kind of face wash, double wash, everything at night, get rid of the makeup, do my serums and things like that. So then in the morning I can kind of do something a little bit lighter and I don't have to worry about taking up a lot of time in the morning when I'm already tired and I'm rushing through things. So I usually use the Pixi Glow tonic, which is a glycolic acid toner. It's in a cotton ball, put it on my face, put some moisturizer on, and then I am good to go. So I do really like this. It is a little pricey. I mean, it's not terribly pricey, but I'm also trying out a similar product from The Ordinary, and that one is way cheaper than this, and they're both a glycolic acid toner. So I will link that video up in the cards right here, or is it right here? Up there, and you can take a look at what that is. So then I moved on to eyes, and I got this MiChan Mia eyeshadow in the color Caramel. So I'd never heard of this brand before, but what I did was I used it, and I know that this is going to be hard for you to see, but I used it in my transition up here. So, I mean, it's not a very pigmented eyeshadow. It is a nice light transition color, first base type thing. So it is a nice product. I will continue to use it, but I probably am not loving this because I like things that are a little more pigmented. Also on my eyes is this Cella eyeliner in purple. So this is actually a felt tip eyeliner in the color purple. And again, let me get closer so you can, I don't know if you can see what I did here. It's a little, you know, I kind of did it on the upper and then I smudged it a little bit on the bottom. So I do like that it's purple. I like that it has a little bit of color to it. I'm always excited about colored eyeliners. I don't love that it's a felt tip because personally I am not good with felt tip liners, so this is just my own personal thing. I'm not against felt tip liners, I'm just not good at them, so I tend to not use them as much. I'm going to kind of keep trying with them and seeing, but yeah, that's what I think of this. Okay, and then the last thing is this Belle and Argent lipstick, and I have that on right here. Let's see, it is in the color, it does not even say the color on here. So let me see. That's odd. I don't know why it doesn't have the color in here. So I'll have to look it up and I'll include it in the description box below when I put links to all these products. So I really like this color. I think it's nice. I mean, it is a traditional lipstick, so I know it's not going to be long lasting. I'm sure when I go and have lunch in a little bit, it's going to come right off. But for now, it looks good, and it's something that, you know, I wouldn't mind reapplying this throughout the day. It is something that you definitely need a mirror to reapply because of the color pigment. You don't want it, this is not something you can kind of do without eyeballing it, or at least I can't. So those are all the new products that I've tried out. I'd love to hear what new products you've been trying out lately. If you are interested in any of these products, like I said, they are linked in the description box below, as well as Ipsy if you are interested in that. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And as always, stay beautiful. Bye.